Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we learn 50 English sentences for daily use. For more videos, please subscribe my YouTube channel. So without wasting of time, let's begin. मैं तुम्हें बाद में फ़ोन करूँगा. I will call you later. I will call you later. Later mean बाद में. मेरी नज़रों से दूर हो जाओ. Get out of my sight. Get out of my sight. Sight mean नज़र. तुम्हारा मतलब क्या है? What do you mean? What do you mean? मैं आज बहुत थका हुआ हूँ. I am tired today. I am tired today. Tired mean थका हुआ. तुम्हारा मसला क्या है? What is your problem? What is your problem? Problem mean मसला. क्या मैं आपसे कुछ पूछ सकती हूँ? Can I ask you something? Can I ask you something? Something mean कुछ भी. मैं तुम्हारे लिए क्या कर सकती हूँ? What can I do for you? What can I do for you? ये कोई मजाक नहीं है. This is not fair. This is not fair. Fair mean मजाक. यहाँ क्या हो रहा है? What is happening here? What is happening here? Happening mean हो रहा है. तुम चाहते क्या हो? What do you want? What do you want? Want mean चाहना. मैं तुमसे बात करना चाहती हूँ. I want to talk you. I want to talk you. Talk mean बात करना. अपना तवाज़ुन मत खोना. Don't lose your temper. Don't lose your temper. Temper mean तवाज़ुन. अपनी किताबों पर कुछ ना लिखो. Don't write anything on your books. Don't write anything on your books. उसके रवैये से हम उकता गए. We were worried of his behavior. We were worried of his behavior. Behavior mean रवैया. नहीं मैं नहीं समझा. No, I did not understand. No, I did not understand. Understand mean समझना. जो गरजते हैं वो बरसते नहीं. Barking dogs seldom bite. Barking dogs seldom bite. जितना हो सके साफ लिखो. Write as neatly as you can. Write as neatly as you can. जज ने चोर को सजा दी. The judge punished the thief. The judge punished the thief. Thief mean चोर. My internet is not working. मेरा इंटरनेट काम नहीं कर रहा है. My internet is not working. How old is she? उसकी क्या उम्र है? How old is she? She is 20 years old. वो 20 साल की है. She is 20 years old. Your food is getting cold. तुम्हारा खाना ठंडा हो रहा है. Your food is getting cold. Come and meet everyone. आओ और सबसे मिलो. Come and meet everyone. I will see you tomorrow. मैं आपसे कल मिलूँगा. I will see you tomorrow. It's too cold outside. बाहर बहुत सर्दी है. It's too cold outside. Trust your heart. अपने दिल पर भरोसा करें. Trust your heart. It's all about luck. ये सब किस्मत के बारे में है. It's all about luck. I cannot stay here. मैं यहाँ नहीं रह सकता. I cannot stay here. I promise. मैं वादा करता हूँ. I promise. Keep your eyes down. अपनी आंखें नीचे रखो. Keep your eyes down. Where do you swim? तुम कहाँ तैरते हो? Where do you swim? Swim mean तैरना. Don't take this so pricey. इसे इतना महंगा मत समझो. Don't take this so pricey. What do you know about her? तुम उसके बारे में क्या जानते हो? What do you know about her? I don't know anything. मैं कुछ नहीं जानता. I don't know anything. You should know. तुम्हें पता होना चाहिए. You should know. Excuse me. माफ़ कीजिएगा. Excuse me. We are always with you. हम हमेशा आपके साथ हैं. We are always with you. Never consider yourself alone. खुद को कभी तन्हा मत समझो. Never consider yourself alone. You can always come to meet me. आप हमेशा मुझसे मिलने आ सकते हैं. You can always come to meet me. Don't act like a child. बच्चों की तरह हरकत ना करें. Don't act like a child. Hard work pays off. मेहनत रंग लाती है. Hard work pays off. What is happening here? यहाँ क्या हो रहा है? What is happening here? You are so innocent. तुम बहुत मासूम हो. You are so innocent. It was nice to see you. आपको देखकर अच्छा लगा. It was nice to see you. Don't mess with me. मेरे साथ गड़बड़ मत करो. Don't mess with me. You are taking too long. आप बहुत ज़्यादा वक्त ले रहे हैं. You are taking too long. We may be able to get this secret. हो सकता है हम ये राज जान सकें. We may be able to get this secret. I am asking you. मैं तुमसे पूछ रहा हूँ. I am asking you. Don't be in a hurry. जल्दी ना करो. Don't be in a hurry. He is not in good health. उसकी सेहत खराब है. He is not in good health. That's not good thing. ये अच्छी बात नहीं है. That's not good thing. It does not matter. इससे कोई फ़र्क नहीं पड़ता. It does not matter. Don't give him anything. उसे कुछ ना दो. Don't give him anything. Think about her. उसके बारे में सोचो. Think about her. That's not good thing. ये अच्छी बात नहीं है. That's not good thing. Why are you so sad? आप इतनी परेशान क्यों हैं? Why are you so sad? What do you want? आप क्या चाहते हो? What do you want? इसके साथ ही हमारी आज की वीडियो ख़त्म हुई. मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में. तब तक के लिए अल्लाह हाफिज़.